Younger buyers want to know, will I be able to buy a home? I've got the answer for you on the way. We'll knock this out in less than 2 minutes, okay? If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know about Florida Suncoast homes, please subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market on or near Florida's West Coast beaches. My name is Keith Connors. Welcome. It's great to have you here. Wouldn't kill you to hit the like button once in a while either. Now, back to our question. Is it time for young home buyers to panic? Younger buyers want to know, will I ever be able to buy a home? A recent CNN headline says, for U.S. renters, the chance of owning a home is going from bad to worse. And I get why. Rising prices, student loans, interest rates are nuts. There's a lot making home ownership feel out of reach right now. But there are still ways to make it happen. No, it's not time to panic. We just got to put a plan, a strategy together on how you can get there. It's not complicated. I'm talking about things like down payment assistance programs. There are a ton of these programs out there that can help you and set you up perhaps to buy a home, if not now, then just a little bit down the road. I had one person do it last year. They're closing next week. See, they started, now they're coming to the finish line. Maybe looking at smaller homes is an option for you because of pricing or an additional commute method. Some buyers are going for new construction homes. Seeing a lot of buyers go this route because of the incentives that builders are offering, up to $30,000, including interest rate buydowns. And builders have a lot of inventory right now. Yeah, they're move-in ready. Look, I got plenty more tips and strategies where these came from. I've used to help other buyers and can use to help you. You don't have to figure this out alone. We can help you reach your goal tomorrow, next month, next year, on your timetable and your budget. Let's get you on the path to home ownership together. This is what we do, and I love it. Please remember to subscribe to our channel below. I'll share with you the best kept secrets along the Florida Suncoast. Remember, when you know the market, you always get your best deal. You can see homes anytime on or near the beach, of course, at MrBeachHouse.com.